Hello students, in this video we will discuss numericals of exercise of part C of chapter 3. Ninth standard physics. In first numerical, mass is given 5 kg, velocity is 2 meter per second, momentum formula is mass into velocity. Substitute the values, you will get the answer 10 kg meter per second. In second numerical, mass is 50 gram. Convert this into kg by dividing with 1000. Momentum will be 0.5 kilogram meter per second. It is given. V is equal to P by M by rearranging the formula of P is equal to mv. So substitute the values. Velocity is 10 meter per second. Now third and fourth exactly similar. Same formula you have to apply. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. From there you will have a acceleration is equal to force upon mass. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. Fifth, try yourself, exactly similar. Sixth, first part, initial velocity is 0, mass is 2 kg, force 10 Newton, time 3 seconds. So apply the formula acceleration is equal to force upon mass. This is not applicable, apply this. 10 upon 2, 5 meter per second square. After finding acceleration, v is equal to u plus at, we are interested to find velocity. So u is 0, velocity is 5 into 3, 15 meter per second. Second is momentum we have to find, so apply mass into velocity, 2 into 15, 30 kilogram meter per second. In seventh, time is 10 second, u is 0, mass is 100 kg and s is 100 meter. Time is 5 second. First is velocity acquired. So distance upon time 100 upon 5 is 20 meter per second. Second is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Third equation of motion, u is 0, v square is equal to 2as. Substitute the values, 2 into a into 100, arrange to find a. You will get 2 meter per second square. Third is force is equal to mass into acceleration. Substitute the values. F is equal to m into a, 100 into 2, 200 Newton. Now eighth one is graph based numerical. This graph I have copied from the book only, along vertical velocity and along horizontal time. You have to find force, but first we have to find the acceleration. VT graph slope if you will find, you will get the acceleration. So in triangle OAB, what is the slope? Slope is given by tan theta, that is perpendicular AB upon base. AB is 2 meter per second, base is 5 second. After solving you will get acceleration 4 meter per second square. Force is mass into acceleration. Mass is given 100 gram, converted into kg into 4 meter per second square. Answer is 0.4 Newton. Now in ninth, constant force means same force we have to apply on M1 and same force we have to apply on M2. So for the same force, what will be the acceleration in case of 5 kg? As you know, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Apply the formula of force is equal to M1 A1 is equal to M2 A2. This force is same for both. First we'll try to get force is equal to mass into acceleration of first M1 A1. 0.5 into 10, force is 5 Newton. Same force will be equal to M2 A2. M2 A2 is equal to F. 5 kg is the mass of M2 A2. We have to find 5 Newton we got. A2 is 1 meter per second square. Question 10, mass is 150 gram, converted into kg. U is 25 meter per second. V is 0, time is 0.03 second. Now force we have to find, force is equal to delta P upon delta T according to second law of motion. Now delta P is mv minus u upon T. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. Force is equal to minus 125 Newton. Negative is for retarding force. 12th and 13th numerical, try to solve yourself. Okay, because every numerical if I will solve, so hardly you will practice. So apply the concept to get the, these are also easy one. 14, typical I am solving. U is 30 meter per second initial velocity. Finally the body is stopped in 2 seconds, so final velocity is 0. Force is 1500 Newton. A part delta P is equal to force into time. So delta P is 1500 into 2, 3000 kilogram meter per second. B part V is equal to U plus AT. V is 0, 30 is initial speed. Acceleration into 2 is the time. Acceleration is minus 15. It means retardation. Ignore negative sign. 15 meter per second square. C part force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is equal to 1500 upon 15 is equal to 100 kg. So mass is 50 gram, 50 upon 1000 kg. Now U is 100 meter per second, V is 0, and displacement is 2 by 100 meter. Convert it into meters, so that is 0.02 meter. Initial moment is mass into initial velocity. Substitute the values. Answer is 5 kilogram meter per second. Final momentum in second part, Pf is equal to mv. V is 0, anything multiplied by 0, 0. Third is V square is equal to U square plus 2as. Apply third equation. V is 0, U is given, 2a, S is also given. So by rearranging, you will get the value of acceleration minus 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second square. Retardation we want to write, ignore negative sign, 2.5 meter per second square into 10 raised to the power 5. Fourth is force we have to find. Force is mass into retardation. So 50 into 1000 into 25 into 10 raised to the power 4. If you will solve, you will get the answer, that is 12,500 Newton retarding force. So practice the numericals, watch the video for the solution again and again. Thank you very much.